Imagine waking up each morning knowing that you have a strategy in place to potentially earn $100 a day online. For many, this idea seems like a distant dream, accessible only to those with a large audience or significant resources. But what if we told you that you don't need a massive following or a huge investment to make this a reality? Today, we're breaking down an exact daily routine designed to take you from earning zero to a steady $100 daily, all without the need for an existing audience. The first step begins with identifying and focusing on a single, scalable income stream. We recommend starting with online freelancing. The beauty of platforms like Upwork or Fiverr is that you can leverage existing skills to offer services ranging from graphic design to copywriting and even virtual assistants. Spend your mornings, just an hour or two, refining your profile and proposing to relevant jobs. Tailoring each proposal can significantly increase your chances of landing a gig. Remember, persistence is key. Once your freelancing setup is in motion, it's time to pivot to a secondary income strategy: affiliate marketing. This requires no upfront audience. Instead, utilize platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Take the midday hours to research trending products within a niche you're passionate about. Content creation can be intimidating, but starting with simple product reviews or comparison articles on a free blog platform can work wonders. A few hours each afternoon dedicated to this can gradually build an archive of content that drives passive income through affiliate links. Mid-afternoon is perfect for diving into online surveys and cashback apps. While the income here is modest, platforms such as Swagbucks and Rakuten can supplement your earnings. Dedicate an hour to complete surveys or capture cashback offers for purchases you're already planning to make. These efforts, while seemingly small, add up over time, effectively boosting your daily earnings. Now, let's address the aspect of time management. The latter part of your day should be reserved for skill enhancement. The online world evolves rapidly, and staying ahead of trends is crucial. Consider enrolling in free courses via platforms like Coursera or EDX, focusing on skills that complement your primary income streams. Whether it's learning SEO to boost your blog's visibility or mastering Excel for more efficient freelance job delivery, investing in skills pays off in the long run. As evening sets in, reflect on your productivity and plan for the next day. Establishing a routine is crucial for maintaining momentum. Jot down 3 key tasks for the following day and evaluate what strategies worked or require adjustment. This process not only boosts efficiency, but maintains a forward-looking perspective. Lastly, safeguard your progress by regularly setting aside a portion of your earnings, however small, into savings or reinvestment. The goal isn't just about reaching a daily $100, but establishing a stable financial ecosystem that supports growth. To conclude, moving from $0 to $100 a day online is entirely within reach with a structured approach. By diversifying income through freelancing, affiliate marketing, and utilizing supplemental tools like cashback apps, while consistently enhancing your skill set, you build a solid foundation for sustainable online earnings. Remember, the absence of an audience is not a limitation, but an opportunity to innovate and refine your path to success. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kill9to5.com.